welcome to another episode. Today I'm coming to you from the historic district of St. Augustine. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Today I want to talk about mollusca, the mollusks, Phylum Mollusca, and what better place to do it than at the shell shop. Check it out. So let's walk inside and see what we see. Uh-oh, we're going to be really careful. So the first group I want to talk about are the gastropods. These are mollusks that have one shell or no shells like slugs. So real quick, I'm going to show you lots and lots of examples of gastropods. This is a cowrie shell. It's a type of top snail. Frog shell. King's crown, which we have a similar species here in the Indian River Lagoon. These are olive shells. Spindle shells. And we also have mollusks that have two shells. We call these the bivalves. Let me show you some examples of these. This is a type of scallop shell. That's one valve. Now, one neat fact about these bivalves is their shells, they can pull tightly together, and they use their abductor muscles to do this. See, here's a great class example of a bivalve, both valves or both shells. Another type of scallop, two shells, two valves. More scallops. More scallops. Oh, here's another great example of a cowrie shell. Again, this is a gastropod, not a bivalve. Since we're here in the shell shop, we might as well talk about some other invertebrates found in the ocean. We have sea stars, part of phylum Echinodermata, like these here. Sea urchins and sand dollars also fall into this group. Here's some spines of a type of sea urchin called a pencil urchin. There's some more sea stars. We call them sea stars, not starfish, because they're not actually fish. Let's see what else we can find out here. Here's one of the largest shells found in Florida. This is the horse conch. They can get very large, much larger than this one here. Another sea star. In addition to echinoderms and mollusks, there's also phylum Porifera here. We see the sponges, one of the simplest of all animals. You even have some cnidarians and some of these coral pieces. This is an algae here, red algae, coralline algae right here. Probably one of the more unusual arthropods of the barnacles. They actually physically glue themselves to a substrate, in these case shells. We have some small sand dollars.
I was looking at all the sun things on there.
back to the echinoderms. These are the tests, the internal skeleton, the sand dollar. Here's some ones of sea urchins, different types of sea urchins. All these sea biscuits, also a type of sea urchin. So that was a little bit about mollusks and some other marine invertebrates found in the ocean. So I hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.